Hello. This video was supposed to be an unboxing slash product review slash demo of what was supposed to be an LED smartwatch. But yeah, it's not. Obviously, I cut it open, but this is the package it came in. You know, I was curious to see what kind of smartwatch would come in just a little envelope, padded envelope like this. You see it direct from China. Took a while to get here. The watch retails for $70, supposedly. It's on sale for $30, is what they're trying to sell these for. It's at dealslayers.myshopify.com is where it's from. Now, I ended up paying $9 for it with a coupon because they asked me to review it. And it's not even worth the $9. I'll tell you that much right now. As I said, it's supposed to be an LED smartwatch. It's totally 100% fake. As you can see, there are no instructions. There's nothing, no USB cables, no nothing. I mean, this was the packaging here. I mean, this is the band. Obviously, you know, slips in somehow, or this way, I guess. Weird kind of band. But, yeah. On the back here, you could check this out. It's all plastic. It's fake sensors. Fake sensors on the back. I believe even the screws are fake. I'm pretty sure even the screws are fake. Yeah. Even the screws are fake. So, you know. So, whatever. There's the front. There's really nothing there. It looks like a screen protector on it for whatever reason. This knob doesn't move. It's kind of like a button, but it's not, I think. And then here was supposed to be, I'm guessing, a USB port, but it doesn't open, doesn't do anything. If I push this, this moves too. I don't know if you can see that there, but if you push that, that moves too. I don't know what else to say about this. It's a piece of crap. It says case material is an alloy, according to the specs. It's not an alloy, it's plastic. Not waterproof. Gee, I wonder, huh? 24-inch band length. Okay. Whatever. Fashion and casual. Oh, it says boxes and case material. Paper. You can also get it in black, rose gold, gold, silver, or purple. Men, ladies, whatever. I mean, I don't know what to do with this. Honestly, I don't. It's a piece of junk. There's nothing. I mean, I tried to make it do something. It doesn't do anything. I mean, the link's down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, it's fake. I mean, there is actually one review on their site, and the title is dishonest. The company sent a watch in poor quality, poor conditions, which is this here. No charger. To top it off, the value they put $2 on a package. Yeah, whatever. I don't care about that. But supposedly they offer 100% satisfaction guarantee. But this guy who left the review actually tried, and they said they don't offer refunds. And when he tried to get a refund, he paid $30 for it. I mean, I'm not happy I paid $9 for this piece of junk here. I mean, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't open up. I mean, I tried to open this up, but it doesn't open. And actually, the whole, you really can't see through, but it is translucent. And the whole thing, when you pull this out, try and pull this out, the whole thing inside moves as well. So, I don't know what this is. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know how to turn it on. So, I guess this is, you know, fake. Fake smartwatch. 100%. Fake Apple Watch, I guess you want to call it. A Fapple? I don't know. Anyway, there it is. Don't buy from them.